Hello, good evening. Welcome to the Accra Sports Stadium. The much-awaited game is finally here. It's the Democracy Cup 2024. I've seen the Chief Justice, and I've also seen the Chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana here. That's awesome. That's the kickoff. The Chief Justice to the EC Chair, to the Sports Minister, and that's the kickoff. The ceremonial one before the game. There we go. Cheba 4 gets us going. Here is Emmanuel Entry. Long ball in. Kosa heads it down. Is the first throw-in of the evening to Iwa Mensah. Hands possession to Amponsan. It's a good ball, but the flag is up against the free air. Asamoah offside.
So from very, very deep with the inside of his foot, and that is a bit questionable. That's a bit questionable.
It should be Entry. It is Entry, and he misses by inches. It's a goal kick. Entry, brilliant stuff. Accra goes past Iwa Mensah. He goes down in the box. Penalty for Kotoko. Kotoko gets a penalty.
And we have the benefit of the replay again. Just look at that. Iwa Mensah, it was first a dummy, and then just look at that. It's
Blade takes a deep breath. Blade makes a step. Justice Blade! Kotoko lead the Phobians by Justice Blade's penalty in the 31st minute. It's Hasabok 0, Asante Kotoko 1 in the 2024 Democracy Cup at the Accra Sports Stadium.
yeah, they wouldn't care. It was a good penalty. Sent Getty the wrong way, and that tells you the grit he possesses, the level of composure of Justice Blade. You rightly mentioned history was beckoning, and he did justice from 12 yards.
That's a well-taken penalty. He took the step, made a stop, and then went to the left side. Keeper had no answers whatsoever.
You always remember the narrative. Every penalty that scores is a good penalty.
I remember that. So refereeing decisions, that's the kickoff for second half.
It was just that penalty that separated both sides after the first 45 that fails to win. He always puts up some, outstanding performances. Michael Ampedu.
Big chance. It should have been 2 for the Porcupines. That was a big one.
That was a close one by Ketia, intervening for Heart of Oak.
Up to Hamza, down the left side. He finds Dennis Kosa, and Kosa swings in a cross. Asari fails to deal with it, and the Phobians have the equalizer. But you are thinking, was the goalkeeper impeded? Was the Kotoko goalkeeper fouled? Should it have been a foul?
Indicates that the goal has been taken, but yeah, there was clear impeding over there. Just look at that. Yes, and we've spoken about the fact that Heart of Oak were going to send in some long balls, but this time on the goalkeeper, no protection at all. No protection. No protection at all. But Asamoah,
the new boy will not care.
He wouldn't.
He's got his debut goal for the Phobians. Here is Asante Kotoko Bernard Samoa. That was close. It's a goal kick.
Again.
And it's almost getting it spot on. But here is Samoa trying to find Cheba 4, but Esibe steps up. He gives it away. Overconfidence gives Kotoko the advantage. Cheba 4. Here is Amidu Akwa. He shoots. And Kotoko have the second goal. Peter, Amidu, Akwa. 2 goals for Kotoko. 1 for Hasabok. It's a goal. Hearts 1, Kotoko 2. Brilliant goal from Peter Amidu Akwa, but that was a howler from Osei Esibe.
It would go down as an error from Osei Esibe. He lost the ball in a dangerous area, but what about that for a hit? And you can see the position of the goalkeeper, a bit questionable if you should ask me. He should be covering the far post. Should be covering the far post because that was the only spot Amidu Akwa could have hit that one too. That was the only spot. A couple of errors for Hartevok.
The corner. Kote swings one in. It's a header. Esibe clears the danger. Someone can shoot. Lovely turn. Good play from Hamza. He goes down. Referee says, get up, boy. No foul for you. That's the final whistle. Kotoko are champions of the 2024 Democracy Cup. The beating Hartevok by 2-1 here at the Accra Sports Stadium. For the third time this year, Kotoko have beaten the Phobians. Justice Play, Amidu Akwa scoring for the Porcupines.